We are going to solve some simple quadratic trinomials. Some of these expressions might look a bit familiar, or equations I should say. These are equations because they've got equal signs in them. What I'm doing is recycling these expressions that we factorised before. So if you don't know how to do that, you might want to look at that other video on factorising simple quadratic trinomials. Let's go through this quickly though, not bad revision opportunity. So the product, 1 times 18 is 18. The sum is 9, because it's the coefficient of the middle term, and the numbers are going to be 3 and 6. Remember how we did that? We considered all the factors of 18 in pairs and selected the two that when multiplied gave me the product, but when added gave me the sum. So this is what we can say. Our expression, our equation is the same as x plus 3 in brackets, x plus 6, and that's equals 0. Now the only way this can be true, this equation, is if either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or if x plus 6 is equal to 0. That's called the null factor theorem. So think of two numbers when multiplied together. One of them, if you're after a product of 0, one of them must be 0. You can't multiply two numbers and reach 0 unless one of them is 0. And the same principle applies here. That times that is equal to 0. So either that equals 0, the x plus 3, or the x plus 6 must equal 0. And we just say that. We say, therefore, x plus 3 equals 0, or x plus 6 equals 0. And we've got two very simple linear equations to solve. X plus 3 equals 0, well, we can take 3 from both sides. So x equals 3, taking 3 from that side, and therefore taking 3 from that side. Sorry, I should say negative 3. X equals negative 3, or x equals taking 6 from both sides, x equals negative 6. You'll observe that all it is, x is equal to that number with the sign reversed. So instead of positive 3, it's negative 3. Instead of positive 6, it is negative 6. All right, across to equation 2. Now we know from previous, well, let's just revise it, but we did factorise the left-hand side before, where the product was 1 times 21 is 21, sum 10, and we found the numbers were 7 and 3. So therefore x plus 7, x plus 3 equals 0. Null factor theorem, reverse that sign, we've got x equaling negative 7 or x equals negative 3. Okay, I will go through the others through gesturing what, or suggesting through gestures what the answers might be, but you can either pause or follow along with me. Okay, I hope that was all right. Have another look if you're a bit confused.